Hi guys, welcome to Insect Lab. In this video, we are discussing MANONMANIAM University internal assignment for May 2025 examination. MSc Mathematics first semester ordinary differential equation. Subject code is SMAM 13, and in this paper you can see there are total number of questions are two only, and here we are discussing 1B. In this paper, you can see verify that the function phi x equal to x satisfies the equation x square y triple dash minus 3x square minus 6xy minus 6y equal to 0 for x is greater than 0. Find the second solution. Also find that the form of a basis of solution for x. So for your information, we have solved all the answers of this paper, and if you want the answer of this paper, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and we will provide all the answers accordingly. And if you want other help related to this code, so you can also contact us. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.